International Ballet School celebrated International Dance Day during its 50th anniversary year with a flash mob in the Eaton Centre. About 300 of NBS's community program students, ranging in age from 7 to 85, participated in a spontaneous dance at the shopping centre.
We started working on this in January, and it's been a long road to get here. Everyone was singing a couple of times a week, and I taught this group to 20 people who taught it to a lot of other people, and we all met today to perform it.
The dance was choreographed by a world-renowned choreographer, an NBS grad, and was set to the Escort remix of Canadian musician Feist's song I Feel It All. For Toronto Sun, I'm Jolene.